How to view Safe Passport on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and view saved passport on your Android device in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Settings app and from here simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Google. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the Google settings. And now here you can see your email interface, so simply tap on that, and after tapping on that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you simply have to tap on the option labeled manage your Google account. Now once you see the interface like this, simply scroll through the tab and tap on the security. Now from here simply scroll down until you find the option labeled Passport Manager. And once you have found it, simply tap on the Manage Passport under that option. And here you will be able to find all your saved passport on your phone. So if you tap on the any apps where your passport is saved, it will show you your username and password beside that. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can see a saved passport on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.